lizard to come for fish. Your sins can be covered forever. Forever. Your evil can be covered forever. Forever. If I believe betrayal, it's your sins can be covered forever. Forever. This your wickedness can be covered forever. Forever. If I believe betrayal, it's the secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for you.
Babe. Baby. Babe. Babe. Oh. It's not even morning. Why are you like this? Babe, you've been this way since morning. You still don't want to tell me what your mother told you to put you in this mood.
I'm fine. Nothing.
Nothing? Babe, did you just say nothing? How can you say nothing? I don't get this. Everyone is waiting for me to get pregnant so that the coronation can take place. Your mom, on the other hand, has been busy embarrassing me and rubbing it on my face like there is no tomorrow. You went to confront her on my behalf, you came back and you've been this way, and here you are telling me nothing. How can you tell me nothing? Babe, talk to me. Your eyes says it all. You want to say something, but you don't want to speak. I'm your wife. You can always confide in me and tell me what the problem is. But you don't want to talk to me, right? You don't want to talk to me. It's alright. Fine. Keep sulking. Suck it all. When I'm tired, I will show you my true colors. Rubbish. Oh, nonsense. Lucy, he's hiding something from me. I'm very, very sure about this. But you know what? There is limit to how far I can take.
What if he was being honest when he said, whatever it is that caused his mood swing had nothing to do with you?
What are you saying? Lucy, are you saying I don't know what I'm talking about? Or what I observed?
No, I am just asking.
Okay, fine. I think I need to break it down for you to understand. He went to confront his mother on my behalf. How she has been embarrassing me in this palace. He came back with a swollen face. He was looking so sad, like you could see like he was boiling. And you want to tell me that whatever that is making him feel that way has nothing to do with me? Come on, I'm not a baby. I can read your handwriting on the wall.
No, that's fine. I get. But, is there anything on your mind?
Yes. I feel she told him I'm not fertile to bear children. Yes. I'm very sure she wants him to kick me out of this place so he could get another woman.
Baby, no, you are going too far.
I'm not. Lucy, the truth of this matter is not far-fetched. Can't you see it?
You might be right.
I'm very right. I'm very sure he doesn't have the nerves to have this conversation with me. That is why he's keeping it away from me. But you know what? I won't sit down here and watch them ridicule me. I will not. I will take the bull by the horn. I won't let them ridicule me. That's on period.
Babe, I understand exactly how this feels. But I need you to take it easy, babe.
Lucy, this is not what I planned for my life. This is not. I'm so upset. This is sickening.
I know. You're going to be fine. Trust me.
Now you listen to me. It's obvious you don't want to tell me what has been eating you up. Fine, it's alright. I won't bother you to tell me anything about it again. But listen to me. We will be going to see doctors. Not just one, not just two, not just three, but 4 different doctors. Yes, you heard me. Not just one, not just two, not just 3, but 4. Yes, we have to go and conduct fertility tests to know the reason we haven't been able to bear children for the past 2 months. Oh, 2 months. Not even 2 years. And all hell is let loose? Oh my God. Now listen to me. I understand you need to ascend your father's throne. No problem. When we go to the hospital and we discover that I am not fertile to bear you children, no problem. I will go back to the UK. I will quit this marriage, you heard me, to start getting ready. Baby.
Yeah?
What do you have to say?
What would you have to say?
Baby, 4 doctors confirmed that we're fit to bear children. So what could be the problem?
Are you expecting an answer from me?
Of course. Baby, your mom makes it look as if I am the one with the problem. She makes me feel like I am a barren woman. I can bear children.
Babe, can we please put this matter to rest at least for now?
Ini?
Yeah. Now let's talk about it later. Alright?
Fire would full Your sins can be covered forever. Forever. Your evil can be covered forever. Forever. If I believe betrayal, it's a Jezebel. This your sins can be covered forever. Forever. This your wickedness can be covered forever. Forever. If I believe betrayal, it's a Jezebel. The secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for the wicked at all. One day your sins will find you. Jidagi Pochiko, it may take time, but it must surely come to pass. It may take time, but it must surely come to pass. One day your sins will find you. Jidagi Pochiko, it may take time, but it must surely come to pass.
How did it go?
All 4 doctors confirmed there's nothing wrong with us. They said we're medically sound to have as many children as we want.
So?
Even before coming down to Nigeria, I had already gone for fertility tests. And all the lab confirmed that I am fertile to bear children. I'm just very confused why I'm unable to conceive. I don't know. Just can't place it. Babe, is my words not making sense?
It's okay, my love. You only know a part. If you know everything, you understand the Queen's plight.
Babe, make me understand. Make me know all. I'm confused.
Maybe we're moving too fast. Yeah. Maybe, just maybe our quest to ascend the throne is making us feel we've been 10 years in marriage without a child. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it gradually, step by step. We're just 2 months in marriage. Just 2 months.
Whatever.
Is that all you have to say? Whatever? I just want to apologize. Apologize for all that has happened. Apologize over my silence, my mother, and everything. I don't know how to say this though, but I just want to let you know that I believe in you that I love you so much and nothing has changed despite all this drama. You see, I hold you right here in the depth of my heart. I'm sorry for everything, okay? See, I promise you, I'm so optimistic. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna work out fine. Okay? So just dry those tears, okay? I'm here for you. I'll stand by you. We're gonna work this out together. You don't know how much you mean to me. You mean so much to me. I promise you this day. I love you, babe. Wakey, wakey. Still sleeping?
Oh, babe.
Yes, honey.
Baby.
Yes, babe. That's my girl. Still feeling sleepy?
Baby, you don't know what you did to me last night.
What did I do to you last night? What did I do? Tell me.
You know how my night was, you know. You made me feel like a woman, baby.
For real?
Yeah, you did.
You can say that again.
Baby.
Yes, honey.
I'm married to the right man, you know.
You can say that again.
So handsome.
Mm-hmm.
I know. Very tall, intelligent. And then you're good in the other room.
Oh, baby, you're making me blush now. I'm blushing.
That's true. Baby.
Yes, my love.
I want to propose something.
What is it?
Baby, I want us to embark on a month back-to-back baby making agenda.
Maybe we just make it 2 months.
Ini. That's if 1 month doesn't work out, then we can make it 2 months. Come to one, baby. Bad man. Baby. Oh.
Go get me the prince bride. Tell her to come see me right away.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come in.
Greetings, my princess.
Yeah.
The queen requests your presence at the palace garden urgently.
Oh, tell her I'm not coming now.
Okay, my princess.
Yeah.
Mother, please do you...
What are you doing? Why are you walking around the palace naked? Have you forgotten who you are? What are you wearing?
Mother, come on. I'm not walking around the palace naked.
You are.
I'm not. Look at it.
Oh my.
It's all good. I was actually busy upstairs and I thought about coming here to ask you for some energy drink. The same you gave to me when I was really tired the other time. Do you still have some left?
Your Majesty. She says she can't come now.
She what?
She can't come now, Your Majesty.
What are you talking about?
Your wife. I sent her to go get Jen, and Jen told her to tell me that she can't come now. What effrontery!
Oh, Mother, come on. You can't be so serious about this. She has a strong reason for that.
What stupid strong reason could she have?
It's my fault.
What reason could make her not to come answer me.
Can you just
What reason could be more important than to answer the call of the Queen Mother of Ife Jaku Kingdom?
Hey, mother, come on. Just calm down, okay? Alright, it's my fault. I didn't tell you.
About?
Yeah, we just finished making out. And the doctor advised you relax in bed at least an hour after we finish meeting. Yes. So keep the semen intact. So, mother, she's not being rude, okay? Take it easy.
Oh, God. It's alright, the energy drink is in my chambers, under the reading table. You can take a full pack. You need it.
Sure, Mom.
Or if need be, tell them to make you oat with milk or yogurt.
That's my mother.
Selfish woman, a woman without sympathy, a woman without woman sympathy, Queen Jezebel. Ooh, Queen Jezebel.
Yes, honey.
I'm suspecting something.
Really? What is it?
I think I'm pregnant. Yeah.
Oh my God. For real?
Yeah, baby. Don't celebrate yet. First thing tomorrow morning, I will use a urine test tube to check it. Then we can celebrate.
You haven't checked yet?
No.
What makes you think you're pregnant?
Baby, you know, my period was supposed to start 4 days ago. But here we are. It seems like everything has changed. And my menstrual cycle doesn't change like that.
Wow. Just hold on a second. Just confirm you're pregnant. Okay? Leave the rest for me. See, what I'm going to do to you, man, I swear.
Baby, I believe God will do it. Yeah.
Yes.
Don't you believe?
Of course I do.
I know. Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me?
Hey, why are you crying?
Maybe.
What is it?
Baby, I was about urinating.
Okay.
I found out that my menstrual flow has started.
Oh, shit.
Baby, what have I done wrong? Who have I offended? Why is God punishing? Why is God punishing? Why is my own different? Who have I wronged to deserve
It's okay.
this?
It's okay.
Baby, who have I wronged?
It's okay, stop crying.
Baby, this is not what I planned for myself.
Crying will not solve anything. Stop crying. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
She's desperate, selfish woman, a woman without
Doctor.
sympathy.
Another 2 months have elapsed. Still no show. No sign. For the past 2 months, neither of us have left the house. I made sure. My wife and I have been on couples duty. Baby making assignments to no avail. Apart from a menstrual flow, nothing else. I mean, nothing else happened. But you told me, doctor. You said we're good to go. You said there's nothing wrong with us. Doctor, please. What could be the problem? Which other way, means can we devise, please? Tell me.
What I'm about to say now is not professional at all. And I think I will have to still say it. At this point, I suggest we go spiritual.
Spiritual?
Yes. You know, considering your background and also considering what is at stake here, there could be some spiritual elements who don't want you to ascend your late father's throne. And until you find out who they are and what they represent, you'll be making wasted efforts.
Spiritual?
If it is not spiritual, I see no reason your wife won't be able to conceive. If it is not spiritual, I don't see any reason you can't get her pregnant.
Spiritual? Spiritual? The only element that can be fighting me from ascending the throne is my rape case. Maybe I need to call Wama and apologize to her. Yes, I need to call her and beg for her forgiveness.
Your sins can be covered forever, forever. Your evil can be covered forever, forever. If I believe betrayal, it's your sins can be covered forever, forever. This your wickedness can be covered forever, forever. If I believe betrayal, it's the secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for the wicked. One day your sins will find you. It may take time, but it must surely come to pass. It may take time, but it must surely come to pass.
Babe, you can't remain in this mood for the rest of your life. Please cheer up, okay?
What did the doctor say?
He's as confused as I am. He's suggesting that this has to do with spiritual problem.
Spiritual what? Babe? Do you believe in that stuff?
As it is right now, I don't even know what to believe anymore. I'll speak to my mother. She has an explanation to make.
Ini?
Yes. I'll be right back. Excuse me.
Despair. Frustration. Hopelessness. That is all I see on that face.
You didn't take a good look, Mother.
You're angry with me.
I need answers. I need to hear the truth.
About?
Your chef that I got pregnant. Where is she? How did the abortion go? I need answers, mother!
I wouldn't know her whereabouts. As for the abortion, it went successful.
I need to see her. I need to apologize to her. Face to face. I am sure she's the reason for this mess we're going through.
Come on, son. That's not necessary.
It is necessary, mother! I got her pregnant! I raped her! I got her pregnant! You made her abort the baby against her wish! According to what you told me. I am sure you know her whereabouts, mother. Where is she?
Lower your voice. The walls have ears. Itulukunte.
Where is she?
I have no idea.
Your voice.
I wanted to...
What exactly are you hiding from me?
Oh, come on. Forget about that for now. I promise you, when the time is right, I'll tell you.
Really?
Sure.
Ini. I see.
Let me change.
This is so fresh. You like the soup, right?
Yes, I do. It's cool.
The new chef is something else. She's something. What's her name? Ifebu chef.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, she's very good.
Mother.
Yes, dear.
You can't tell me you don't know her whereabouts.
Who's whereabouts?
You know what I'm talking about. You know. You can't tell me you don't know where she is.
Chidofo, are you trying to force me to accept what I don't know?
I'm not forcing you, mother. I am not. She has worked for you for so many years. And there is no maid in this palace that you don't know their homes. So do not deny the fact that you don't know her whereabouts.
Well, I don't know.
Mother, look me in the eyes and tell me I don't know what I'm talking about.
So when is it going to be the right time for you to tell me about it?
About what?
The maid you raped and got pregnant.
What are you talking about?
Wakey wakey. Here we go.
I got her pregnant! I raped her! I got her pregnant! You made her abort the baby against her wish! I am sure you know her whereabouts, mother.
Just stop. Where did you get that? Where?
Babe?
Yes.
Baby?
Later. Yes.
Please wait. There's something on your lips. I need to clean it off.
My lips?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll get something to wipe it. Okay? Babe, don't worry. Yeah.
What's on my lips?
Something. Yeah, let me actress, you know.
You good now?
Yeah, baby, hold on. Tell me. This is not really okay.
Oh, my darling, I cannot slack. Okay.
Hey, babe. I think this is about to go off.
Yes. All right.
This is my prince.
Yes.
Food is served.
Okay, no problem. I'm coming down.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you. Babe, shall we?
I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your chef, that I got pregnant. Where is she? How did the abortion go? I need answers, mother!
I wouldn't know her whereabouts. As for the abortion, it went successful.
I need to see her. I need to apologize to her. Face to face. I am sure she's the reason for this mess we're going through.
Come on, son. That's not necessary.
It is necessary, mother! I got her pregnant! I raped her! I got her pregnant! You made her abort the baby against her wish!
Now listen, hand that over to me. Because you don't have any right to eavesdrop on my conversation with my son. Hand it over.
In your wildest dream, Mom. Oh, in your wildest dream, Queen. Oh, you think I, Jane, will hand over this evidence to you? You must be joking. No, you must be daydreaming. I, Jane, will never hand this over to you because this is an evidence that proves him to be a rapist. And you know what? I will never have anything to do with a rapist. This marriage is over. Over and done with.
You don't know what I am capable of doing, do you?
You can do anything, you heard me? You don't know me to. And now listen. Get ready. Because the law will take its course. You heard me. Excuse me.
Baby, please. Baby, come.
Rubbish! Rubbish.
Babe, please. I can explain, okay? The fact is, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, okay?
I'm listening. Yeah. Bring it on.
I didn't know she committed abortion. I didn't know. As a matter of fact, I was under the influence of alcohol. I was so excited the other time when you accepted my marriage proposal. So I was so happy to the extent I drank to stupor. I'm sorry.
Did you or did you not rape her?
I was under the influence of alcohol.
That doesn't answer my question. Did you or did you not rape her?
I did.
I did. You see? You are a rapist. I will never have anything to do with a rapist. This relationship, whatever we share, it's over. Did you hear me? Take this.
Baby, it hasn't come to this.
I'm done packing my things. I am going there to take my bag and leave this place. You disgust me.
Baby, please. That's what happened.
Don't you dare.
Please, I'm begging you, okay? Honey, we can talk this over, okay? I'm sorry. Baby, please. Baby.
Don't you dare. Jidofo, don't try it. Jidofo.
Can I talk to you?
Take your hands off my box now.
I'll do that, okay? Right away.
Take your hands out of my box now. Did you hear me?
I heard you right. Can I talk to you at least?
There is nothing I am going to listen to you because you and your mom, nothing but liars. Liars! You deceived me.
Babe, don't do this now.
Let us go. What's your problem? I am warning you. Don't taste my patience. I am going to unleash my anger on you. Stay away from me. Just stay away.
I have the problem with that, okay? Can I just have a word with you?
Leave me the hell alone! What's the problem? Jidofo, what's your problem? I'm asking you. You deceived me. Your mom deceived me. How could you?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're sorry? You think sorry can heal everything? That's what you think. I hate you. I am disgusted. You disgust me. Your mom also disgusts me.
Can I have a word with you at least?
Oh, really?
Please.
Jidofo, you want to have a word with me? So now you want to talk. You want to talk,
Yes,
right?
please.
Talk. Leave my box alone. Leave my... Take this box inside. And you open the damn gate. And stop. Open that gate and you're looking at me. Why are you mopping like a moron? Open the damn gate.
Honey?
Staring at me like a fool.
Can you?
Don't you dare. Don't try it.
We can talk this over.
Jidofo, don't try me. Don't try me.
Why are you acting?
Get this guy out of this place. I'm disgusted.
Oh, fuck.
Your sins can be covered forever.
Right now.
This your sins can be covered forever. This your wickedness can be covered forever. If I believe it, the secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for the wicked. One day.
Honestly, Lucy, oh my God, I've even forwarded the audio clip to you. Yes, I'm on my way to the hotel now. You can come and meet me there. All right. Okay. Yeah, my dear. What is driving? There's a guy with a gun. Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right. That's very good of you. I trust you. I trust you so much. You've just done a wonderful and marvelous work. Listen. Destroy that nonsense. Yes.
Selfish woman, a woman.
Let me see. Let me see who will take away this throne from my hands.
We Jezebel,
It's a game.
heartless we Jezebel, heartless.
peace. I need my peace.
No, mother, you can't walk out on me like that.
I need my peace.
You can't walk out on me like that, mother. No! I need answers.
I don't have answers to seek.
Lies! Mother, you can't tell me my wife who was shot yesterday by an unknown gunman was a coincidence. Why did you do that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about, mother?
Don't get on my neck.
Oh no, mother, speak!
Are you alright?
You know what I'm talking
I
about!
don't know what you're talking about. Stop getting on my nerves.
Officers, that's the Jezebel and her son. Get them arrested.
Woman, you and your son are under arrest for the offense of rape of one Miss One Man and the murder of one Mrs. Jane, who happened to be your daughter-in-law. She was murdered yesterday.
You want arrested? Man, arrest you. Not kidding now.
For your own good, I advise you remain silent, for whatever you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
Will you shut your mouth up? Are you alright? You must be stupid to have said that to me. Do you know where you walked in? Are you going nuts? Don't force me to make call. Now get out.
Police.
Woman, do you want to resist arrest? For if you do, I will be left with no option than to use force on you.
Who is there? Get my phone.
There will be no need for that, mother.
What?
We're guilty.
You and who?
Arrest us.
Nkinonya. You and who?
Mother, you and I are guilty for the crimes you committed. Arrest us, officer.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about, and I am not going anywhere with anybody. In fact, I am going to make a call.
Come back here! Officer, move them away!
Okay, my friend.
Calm down.
You are under arrest.
Move!
You can never say anything.
Move them!
Move.
You have to calm down.
You move.
I'll give you opportunity.
Shut your mouth up.
Hey, move.
Move!
But that's serious. You never knew. They say they key. Who they call kill this thing? I don't know. They say they find his wife. Do you listen why they call arrest him?
The secret you hide today may cost your life tomorrow. No peace for the wicked. One day you'll see.
Your Majesty, I am here already. Okay, you're coming. Please hurry. Yeah, thank you.
Run it down. If you move, I move you. Come back there. Officer, drop the car. Move it. Get into the car.
Move it! What do you need?
Get into the car.
Watch me very well. You're a hardy criminal.
Elders of our land, what do we do now?
As it stands now, we are helpless in this matter.
Of course. What do we do at this point? What do we do? I don't know. We just need to start anyhow and make sure we come up with something. Because the entire kingdom is depending on us to save this dying kingdom.
Yeah, you are correct.
Oh, no. The chief priest,
You are welcome.
you are welcome. You are welcome. You just came at the right time.
Oh, is it?
Honest, you are welcome.
It is only foolishness that makes one think that the silence of the gods is a sign of weakness. The snail in the fire thinks that is quenching the fire with its saliva, not knowing that his soul is roasting at itself to death. An old woman that was handed over a baby to take care of, all of a sudden started complaining of not having teeth. Was that baby handed over to her to devour?
Mban. Abomination. Mban. But the wise one, you've spoken enough to us in riddles. Yeah? Please, can you speak to us in plain language that we will all understand? Please.
The heir apparent to the throne lives. He lives far away from here. Until you get him. Until you bring him back, nobody ascends the throne of Ifejoku Kingdom. There will be no peace. I repeat, there will be no peace until he is back.
Elders, me, I just don't get it. At all. I just don't get it. I don't know. What do we do now? What was he talking about? I don't understand.
The heir apparent leaves?
Where? Oh.
How?
Please. I think we should call him back. Let him come and explain to us or tell us what to do.
Better.
No. It's only a fool that a parable is being interpreted for. It's not to make the findings on already revealed truth.
So,
yes.
Elders, how do we make the findings?
This is where Omale, the blind seer, comes in. To visit him.
Omale, the blind seer, please tell us everything you see. Everything. Tell us.
Mama, the palace chef. She was molested and abused by the prince. The helpless girl had no one to run to. Oh no. Ndiche.
Omale, we are listening.
Look into the water of purity and see for yourself.
My prince. Shh. You're touching delicate part of my body, please. My prince, this is not you. My prince. My prince.
Listen to me. Huh? You have everything that the prince wants. You know what I'm talking about.
My prince. Shh. My prince, please. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. My prince. Jesus.
What is going on here? And why are you crying?
Ugo came to me and said that you asked I serve the prince dinner. When I brought it, he said he's not interested. I wanted to take it and go. He grabbed me and forcefully raped me.
Listen, on no account would you tell anyone that my son raped you. Because of the rape, the lab result confirmed that you are a few weeks pregnant for my son.
Jesus! If one more.
This is a royal blood, and it can never be raised out of the palace. You're not royalty. You're just a chef that came from the waters. And my son cannot settle for you. I don't want the bride to hear anything about this rape. I wouldn't want a situation whereby my son will be labeled a rapist. So I want you to terminate the pregnancy.
Your Majesty.
I want to see the queen. Open this gate. I want to see the queen. No, why are you desperate? Open this gate. I want to see the queen.
You want to see the queen?
Yes.
Before I allow you to see the queen, you have to tell me who you are. Your father's name, your mother's name.
Do you think I'm here to joke with you?
I am not joking. I'm doing my work.
I am a native of this kingdom and I have every right to see the queen. Open this gate. I want to see the queen.
Madam, calm down now. Nobody is disputing the fact that you are a native of this kingdom. But you want me to just go and tell the queen mother? Oh, the queen mother. A native of this kingdom want to see you.
Okay.
Your name?
Go inside there. Tell the queen that the mother to her chef, Wamba, is here.
Oh.
Mama Wamba, yes. Mama
Wamba. Calm down.
Please, I am not going to disturb the palace again. Please, my son, don't kill me. I won't disturb them again. Please, don't kill me, my son.
Keep moving. Yes.
Thanks, sir.
Keep moving.
Child, this is evil. This is evil. Arokoma.
Omani, you are the only person that can help us now.
Yes.
No one else. Bikon, tell us where we can find our daughter. We want to know, is she still alive? Can we even ever see her again? Please, tell us.
Oh no. Look again.
Look again.
Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody please help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Help!
Like, scream from now to eternity. Nobody will hear your voice. No one will come to rescue you.
God please! God please! Oh! God please! God please! Oh! Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please.
Shut up.
Please don't do this to a pregnant woman, please. For the sake of my unborn child. I beg you in the name of God.
What did you just say?
I am pregnant for the prince. He raped me. That's why the queen wants me dead at all costs. Because please, I've not done anything. Please, I am begging you.
Irijo bajo, uzo stand this cafe. Ta, iba kuru ka na-eme. Ka na-eme ka na-ekwu. Oke chududu. Ududu wo. Aha!
You must wear this on all your operations for protection. You shall not die in any operation as long as this is on your neck. You shall be successful in all operations. But in all your killings, make sure you do not kill a woman with a baby. Yes, because if you kill a pregnant woman, the blood of the unborn baby shall rise against you and hunt you down. Go! Go! Go!
Please spare my life. I beg you in the name of our God. Please, please, don't kill me.
Are you sure you're not lying to me?
I swear with the gods of our land, I am not lying. I am saying the truth. May the gods swear me witness. May the gods swear me witness. Please.
Your Majesty.
Please.
All right. I'll be there soon.
Please.
Now listen to me.
Please.
Listen to me.
Okay, sir.
This bush is the boundary between Ife and Omodara. The queen just called me now that your mother is creating nuisance in the palace. And I am going there now to pick her up. Today will be her last day on earth.
Hey, please don't kill my mother. Sorry.
Shut up.
Sorry.
The reason I'm sparing you is because of this baby in your womb.
Thank you.
Shut up. Now, if I release you now, I want you to take this direction. Run into the deep bush. You will see a river. Once you cross that river, find a way and survive there. Are you hearing me? Survive there and never you return to this land. Because I've already told the queen that you are dead and buried. And dead people don't show themselves to people that know them.
Thank you. That is what my mother and I were about doing.
Shut up.
Sorry. Sorry, I will not come back.
Shut up.
Thank you. Thank you. God will bless you. You will never know sorrow. God will bless you.
I said shut up.
Sorry, sir.
Shut up.
Sorry.
I show loyalty to Makana wero nyege furu Ije memi
Go.
Because wero
Run.
nyege furu Ije memi God is watching. God is watching. God is watching. God is watching.
This is how they are going to kill me. Mama, what What have we done? What have we done to deserve this, Mama? Is this how you're going to leave me? Jesus. My son, my cute son. It's just me and you in this whole world, in the middle of nowhere. No mother, no father, no brother, no sister. It's just you and I. But you complete me. I thank the gods for bringing you my way. You are my precious gift, and I will treasure you always. You're all I have.
That is the heir apparent to your throne, being taken care of in abject poverty and penury.
Heart of a man is desperately wicked. Very, very wicked. Thank you, Amali. We appreciate. Elders, the ball is now in our court. Yes. We must do something. We must do something. Yes, I'm the one. I'm the one. Please, 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 please. You see, I have come with the elders of Ifijaku Kingdom.
To do what?
We have come to take you home. We have come to take you out of this stretch. Yes. In fact, we have come to take you to the palace where you belong. That's why we are here. Please.
Please. Forgive and forget, please.
My daughter. My daughter. You see, as we speak now, the queen and the prince are in the police custody. Yes. They are facing rape and murder charges with enough evidence to nail them to the wall. Yes. So they can't get out of it. They can never get out of it. It was the chief priest that told us that you are here and that you are alive. That you are with the heir apparent to the throne of Ejuku Kingdom. That is why we have come. My daughter, please. Temper justice with mercy. We beg you. Temper justice with mercy. Have mercy on our kingdom. You are the only person that can save our dying kingdom. Please. Please, please. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. Temper justice with mercy. We beg you.
Somewhere on your gate,
Madam, please, let's go inside.
All is allowed.
Oh! You are all happy, right? Yeah, you are all happy.
The table of Mama has turned. The table of Mama has turned to our favor. Her Majesty Mama, I am sorry for everything I do to you. I am happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
The purification ritual shall be done. The marriage rites shall be paid fully. She be crowned the queen mother of this kingdom, who will oversee the affairs of this kingdom until her son gets to the age of getting a wife for himself. Then he will ascend the throne of his fathers.
But she is from Osu kindred, as you are meant to understand. She's from Omo's community.
So, then we don't have any option than to abolish the Osu system.
Exactly. I agree with you.
Chief Priest, by the powers vested on me as the Onu of this great kingdom, from now, everybody from Umosu henceforth becomes a free citizen. Yes, and they are now free to intermarry and interrelate with every other freeborn of Ife-Joku kingdom. It's time to do the needful. Okay? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, no. Huh? I go ahead. I should go ahead. Yes. I should go ahead. Yes. My elders, everyone, by the powers vested on me as the Onu of this great Ife-Joku kingdom, I present to you our new queen, the queen of Ife-Joku kingdom. Long live the Queen!
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 She's desperate, selfish woman.